Happy morning, children. Today we are stepping into a new chapter, that is body movements. This lesson will be very interesting to you and you will become very curious to learn about it. Okay, under this lesson we are going to learn different things. It will be very new to you. In this lesson we are going to learn about skeleton system and bones, joints. Okay, skeleton system is made of bones and joints, different kinds of bones and various joints present in our body which helps in the movement of body. Okay, apart from that we are going to learn about animals without bones. Okay, how they are moving, movement of animals without bones. For example, earthworms, snail, snake and fish. Their movements also we are going to study in this lesson. Let's start with a small introduction. If we sit absolutely still, we can observe the movements taking place in our body. That is, we are blinking our eyes from time to time and we are moving our eyebrows. These are also comes under movements. To make you understand easily, I have some definitions. Let's see one by one. The first definition is movement. The ability of organism to change position by using their body parts is called movement. Without using the body parts, without the help of our body parts, no organism can make a movement. So the ability or the capacity of the organism to change its position by using its body parts is said to be movement. Next is skeletal system. Skeleton is the internal structure in organism which help in bringing about the movement. We can't see the skeleton. Skeletons are nothing but bones. Okay, they are internal structures in every organism. They are helping in bringing about the movement. Skeletons not only helps in the movement of organism, apart from that they are building blocks, we can say, because they are giving structure and shape to the body. Without skeleton, we and no organisms can have a definite shape. So the skeleton system gives a definite shape and structure to the body. The skeleton is made up of bones, we know already. Different kinds of bones are joined to each other in a particular manner, so that are called joints. Different kinds of joints are there in our body. With the help of joints only we can move and we can bend and stretch our arms, legs, and we can shake our head. Okay, so there are different types of joints present in our body. That and all we are going to learn in this lesson in detail. These joints facilitate various types of movement. In human skeleton, the backbone is starting from neck and ends to pelvic bone. It is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae. The backbone gives shape to the upper body. So the backbone, it starts from the neck and ends to the pelvic bone. Pelvic bone is nothing but hip bone. Okay, so it is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae. So this backbone contains 33 small bones. These 33 small bones, that is vertebrae, interlinked vertically to make the vertebral column. Inside the vertebral column we have spinal cord. Spinal cord, it connects with the nervous system of our body. Okay, that is to the brain, so which controls the parts of our body. I hope these definitions and explanations will be useful to you to understand the skeleton system easily. The remaining part of this chapter we will discuss in next class.